In Hoover, Mike Arrington, Channel 13 News.
And the Birmingham Barons' first game in their new home in Hoover is set for this Saturday night.
And that's when we'll be hearing familiar tunes like Take Me Out to the Ball Game. But today, the more appropriate song has been Smoke Gets in Your Eyes. As Channel 13's David Black reports, while there's no action on the baseball diamond just yet, things were smoking today nonetheless.
This is probably the only time you'll see a bunch of grown men staring at a wheelbarrow in the middle of the Barons' locker room. One of those men is Gerald Smith with the City of Hoover's Department of Inspection Services. He has to witness this crucial smoke test. But before you can check the stadium's fire alarm system, you have to come up with smoke, something easier said than done. A second attempt is no better, so Smith goes to check the master control monitoring equipment. There's even something called a tamper system, which sounds an alarm if someone cuts off the water supply to the emergency sprinklers.
Zone 25, pressure switch is in alarm.
Meanwhile, smoke try number 3 is about to start. Now that the much sought-after smoke has finally arrived, the next test is to see if the ventilation system here in the locker room can take all of the smoke out in 10 minutes. After the allotted time, Smith pronounces the smoke removal system as performing as it should.
The importance of these tests is to make sure that the systems are functioning correctly, and to hopefully we never have to use them, but if they are called upon, they will work and work like designed.
Is the stadium passing the test so far?
So far, we've had some good and some bad tests. As you see now, we're still undergoing some tests and making sure that they are...
the fire alarms work.
Fire alarms work good.
This is National Building Safety Week across America. Gerald Smith says he wants to make sure the Barons' new home is fit to play ball. David Black, Channel 13 News.
The new stadium must have a certificate of occupancy from the City of Hoover before it can open. And Smith says that he is confident that that permit will be granted in time for the opening game.